garlic. I want to plant garlic. So I went to the market this evening and I saw garlic. I said, let me try it. You know, so although I have the ones that have grown. So that is what motivated me to buy more. And I'm going to buy more and more. So guys, you can see I'm planting it with my ginger. You can look at the ginger. So this is the ginger. I'm planting ginger too. So guys, join me. Come close, let me show them. So if you want to plant garlic, you make sure this place is up. Like now, you see, one, you see, two. You make sure that it's up. See this thing? See as it go there, no pasta like this. You come here. You come here. And see. So here I'm going to get garlic from there. A lot of garlic from there. I'm using this bag for something else. So that is how it is, guys.